By the people,
Yes.
for the people,
Agreed.
with the people.
Really? Who? Me? I don't do politics.
My role in democracy is casting my vote.
ये देखो मेरी उंगली.
What's wrong with you people? Don't you realize? Democracy is meaningless without the active participation of the citizens.
It's our nation.
It's our government. Our opinions matter.
मेरी एक वेबसाइट है mygov.in. उसमें मैंने आपके सुझावों के लिए, आपको जुड़ना चाहते तो उसके लिए बहुत अच्छी व्यवस्था रखी है.
In a nation where the people are brimming with ideas, where people want to do something for the country and contribute to nation building, MyGov is a medium which enables you to actually do so.
मुझे खुशी है कि MyGov के जरिए मैं सरकार से सीधे जुड़ पा रहा हूँ. ड्राइंग रूम या चौपाल पर राजनीति डिस्कस करने से बेहतर है कि सरकार से मैं सीधी बात कह पाता हूँ.
Whatever your skill set is, your nation wants your opinion.
You can contribute to the building of your own nation.
You can discuss. You can act. You can collaborate.
You can be the change.
It's been one remarkable year. The journey that began with a path-breaking idea and loads of conviction has now become a rising tide of the citizen-led actions.
Futuristic strength of India lies in its 60% youth population. The youth needs to identify its caliber, structure it well, and use the platform of MyGov. It encourages citizen participation in matters of governance.
मुझे लगता है एक अच्छी शुरुआत है. People from all walks of life contributing towards a common goal.
मैंने गंगा की अविरलता निर्मलता के लिए कुछ सुझाव प्रस्तुत किए.
I strongly believe is by sharing my views in MyGov portal, I will see a better future of my village.
You are the talent that will build the India of tomorrow. MyGov invites you to express and engage. So now you can access MyGov to contribute an idea from your home or office and also when you're traveling by using the mobile app.
My idea over here is to develop a website that would highlight things like classification of destinations, your seasons, your festivals, your arts and crafts, and stay that would make every traveler's dream incredible.
Apno Rajasthan could be enhanced by rural tourism, which would help in the development of villages as well as villagers.
In the age of technology, there are still people who are working as manual scavengers. Manual scavengers people, they have to carry human waste on their heads and dispose it off outside village. With the help of MyGov portal, we all can unite and come together to effectively rehabilitate these people. Let's make India manual scavenging free.
I have participated by giving ideas of alternative measures of fuel, methods for reducing pollution on the portal MyGov.
MyGov is not limited to the virtual world, but is firmly grounded in the real. MyGov Samvad, a first-of-its-kind event, was organized on 29th November 2014. 20 participants directly interacted with the Honorable Minister of Communications and IT and shared their thoughts and ideas about a digitally empowered India.
स्वच्छ भारत अभियान का लोगो जब हमारा चुन गया तो मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा. और बाद में जब नेशनल डिजिटल मिशन का भी लोगो आ गया तो चार चांद लग गए.
With the underlying principle of taking ideas from mind to the market, the Innovate for Digital India Challenge was initiated. New Education Policy Group was formed with an inclusive, participatory and holistic approach which aims to make India a knowledge superpower. MyGov also launched the much-awaited and exciting contest for the Prime Minister's mobile app on 4th March 2015 in collaboration with Google. In the first phase of the contest, the ideas were crowdsourced on mygov.in. More people, more ideas, more action. MyGov has rapidly evolved into a medium of large-scale participation and activity. A connect further taken to new heights with the launch of Prime Minister's radio program Mann Ki Baat, which takes ideas and suggestions from MyGov.
The Prime Minister said there will be a Mann Ki Baat program and I request everybody to write to me on mygov.in. And surprise, on 3rd October 2014, the first Mann Ki Baat program on the radio, Prime Minister told my name and he also read out my message. That was one of the most happiest moments of my life.
टेक्नोलॉजी के माध्यम से तैयार किया गया प्लेटफॉर्म हिंदुस्तान के या हिंदुस्तान के बाहर रहने वाले, भारत का कल्याण चाहने वाले हर व्यक्ति के लिए एक बहुत बड़ा अच्छा अवसर है, एक माध्यम है, ये एक शुरुआत है। और मुझे विश्वास है कि सभी देशवासी इस पहल का स्वागत करेंगे और जुड़ेंगे।
What are you waiting for? It's your government. Be a part of it. Your opinions matter. Become a part of this mass movement towards achieving Suraj.